everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig is actually the unit that's on my head right now. And yes, these are not real box braids. I mean, technically they are, but technically they aren't. This is a box braid wig coming from none other Braid Queens. That's right. Me and Braid Queens have tamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. So let's get started. So this is the baggie that it comes in. It's real cute, black, very cute, basic. You just make sure you keep your wig in here. What you get in here, you get a elastic band, and ooh, they give you, oh, this is smart. I like this. They give you little clippies to go on your box braids. Like, I like box braids where there's nothing on them sometimes, but these are actually really good because I was thinking about getting some gold ones, but they gave me some free ones. And then of course they gave me a wig cap that is actually my actual skin tone, so that's pretty dope. So that's what comes in the bag. And then of course you get your wig itself. So the wig that I have is their 30-inch knotless box braid wig, and it is literally 30 inches. It's like past waist length. It is everything. So I do have some pros and I have some cons about this unit, but for the most part it is pure pros. I love this unit. It's actually really dope, but like I said, the cons can actually be tweaked and can be worked out. But other than that, I mean, it is still a beautiful unit. So number one, starting off, this wig is big head friendly. I'm going to tell you that now. It is big head friendly. It is a 13x4 parting space. So most people do not understand that that is very rare when you're getting a box braid wig sometimes, to find it where it's a 13x4. So literally this entire section I'm able to move, and you know, I'm able to move it where it looks believable. There we go. Move it a little bit more. That way we have an actual side part. So that way you can actually see the parting space on this unit. There you go. I'm able to move it any direction with no problem. I just like mine in the middle. It's easier. It makes life easier for me. And it's actually, to me, it looks a little bit more realistic when it's just in the middle. That's just to me. But like I said, you are able to achieve a half up, half down style with this unit. So that is the plus side to this. It's very comfortable. The lace is very undetectable. I did the ball cap method, which I will leave the link down below of how I do the ball cap method with the stocking cap. But yes, I did that. It laid down perfectly with no issues. Like, it did come with its own baby hair. I done slept on this wig. I've been in this wig since Sunday, you guys. And so it's very easy to maintain with no issues. This is the con. So I'm going to turn around and you'll see. If you can tell, you can actually see where the rest of the hair is braided. So there are ways you can tweak that. You can tweak it to where you could just have it going half up, half down, and you might be able to see just a little bit of it. Or you can actually keep it just like this. I just kept mine like this and made it seem like I just had a whole bunch of new growth. That's basically how I did mine. Other than that, there's really not much you can do to hide that. I do wish that this was a full lace wig that was box braided, because it is a little bit easier to, like, you know, meant to maintain and everything. But I will say this, I usually don't mention price in any wig video, but this is actually one case where I do have to let you know. This wig was $135 and it was worth the $135. I've never gotten box braids for real, and so for me to experience a box braid wig where it looks so natural, so believable, and like the front part, because usually it's the front that I'm more worried about. I don't care about anything else, what the back looks like. It's really the front. And the fact that the front looks like this and it's legit, it's laid down, it's not bulky, it looks and feels perfectly, is a winner with me. I would pay another $135 for this unit and be perfectly content with it. But yes, that was the only con. Other than that, this wig is actually worth every penny that you could possibly spend. But I will say this, Unfortunately, it is sold out right now, but I will leave, when it does come back in stock, I will leave, I will kind of notify you guys to let you guys know that it is back in stock and it is ready to go to be purchased. So if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.